The rose is a classic and beloved flower, known for its beauty, fragrance, and symbolic significance. Here are some key points about roses. Roses are part of the Rosaceae family and the Rosa genus, which includes hundreds of species. They are flowering plants that typically have thorny stems and are known for their showy 5-petaled flowers. There are thousands of rose varieties cultivated worldwide, ranging in color, size, shape, and fragrance. Common types include hybrid teas, floribundas, grandiflorous, climbers, and shrub roses. Roses can be grown in various climates and are cultivated in gardens, parks, and nurseries. They require well-drained soil, adequate sunlight, and regular watering. Pruning and fertilizing are important for maintaining their health and shape. Roses have played significant roles in art, literature, and cultural traditions. They have been depicted in paintings, poetry, and folklore throughout history. The rose is the national flower of several countries, including the United States, England, and Iran. In addition to love and romance, roses hold symbolic meanings in different cultures. For example, in some Eastern cultures, roses can represent purity and spiritual enlightenment. White roses symbolize loyalty, purity, and innocence. Since they represent these ideas, the white rose has also become the most popular flower to be seen at weddings. They can also symbolize eternal love, a new start, and fresh beginnings. Red roses symbolize all those things that make a love story great: passion, desire, true love, and romance. It's no wonder why the red rose has become a classic Valentine's Day flower. Pink roses represent sweetness, femininity, appreciation, and admiration. But there are so many shades in the pink palette that they make up their own charming rainbow. The vibrant orange rose speaks for itself as it represents fascination, enthusiasm, desire, and energy. Orange roses also symbolize admiration and excitement, making them the perfect gift for your loved one after a big accomplishment.